Hey guys, it's Josiah here, and Judith's mad. Hey guys, it's Josiah here, and today we're going to be doing a bike check on my bike. It's pretty dirty right now, but we're going to be doing a bike check, and yeah, it's a new bike. I did not get it for Christmas, but I've had it for a while, and I just haven't done a video on it, so yeah, let's get it going. Judah, you're in the video.
What? Me?
Yep.
Oh, Dabo. No, Dabo. Look at that carpet.
So we're in my room, yeah. But let's get to the bike check. So it is a DK Swift Junior. Yeah, it's a Junior, and I got the plate on it and stuff. She wants to turn on the lava lamp. We can't right now. But I have ODI grips with the gold lock-ons on. They're machines, and I have gold Bear Trap SE pedals. They stick to your feet, so they're almost like clips. Yeah, they're very good durable pedals. I got these for Christmas. And I got these grips for Christmas too. I got it from Bone Shaker Bicycles. And Pro Mats right here. Most of it is stock. The brake is stock. Wheels are stock. Cranks are stock. And yeah, I just haven't done that much with it. We're gonna keep adding on to it, but yeah, this is my new bike. It's kind of dirty right now. It's a DK Swift, 2019 DK Swift. I got it last year actually, in October or September, but it's good. It's a good light it's a 17-pound bike. He's sleeping on my toy box. Look. But yeah, that's all for that bike.